never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm
Welcome to our channel. So today we have a visitor. It's actually a family friend of ours. And usually pag pumupunta sila ng bahay is tawag dito, yung sila mismo yung nagluluto na kakainin nila. So we'll see tawag dito, we'll see kung paano. It's they call it sabudana khichdi kasi minsan pag you're in fasting, Bobby, fasting now? Fasting? You're in fasting? Yes. Okay, so they are in fasting. So usually pag pumupunta sila ng bahay, nata-timing na fasting sila. So yun yung niluluto nila. So eto yung anak nila. Hi, Mansi. Si hi.
Hi.
Hi. Siya si Mansi. So, eto naman si Bobby. Hi, Bobby.
Hi.
So, yan. Si Bobby magluluto kasi wala akong idea, but I'll show you how it is. So, okay. So, first is, we will going to roast the peanuts. So, ayan. So, nire-roast niya yung peanuts. Actually, hindi ko alam na pupunta sila at hindi ako ready din. So, ayan. So, they're like a family friend to us. Okay, so first is we will roast the peanuts. Okay, so after na-roast na, ang tawag dito, ginaganyan siya para matanggal yung skin ng peanut. Ayan. Ayan, so bago sa akin to. So ayan, so mabilis nga natanggal yung skin. And then after that, ilalagay yung peanut sa grinder. And then imi-mixer siya natin. Ayan. Okay, so it's sabudana khichdi. So ito yung tinatawag na sabudana. So maybe it looks familiar on you. It is actually tapioca pearls. Yung sa Pilipinas ginagawa natin sago gulaman, ito siya. Ito yung tinatawag na sago. Yeah, correct, sago, yes. And it is called tapioca pearls or sabudana in Hindi here in India. They call it sabudana. So this is already soaked like 2 to 3 hours. Kailangang i-soak siya. So it is already soaked. So they all have already soaked it before they come. So ayan, tapioca pearls. Got the chili. Oh my god. Really spicy. Well, mild spice. Tika? Bot?
No?
Botika?
Normal.
No. Okay, so it will be mild spice only. Okay, so we put oil in the pan. Okay. Ayan, so eto na yung ating roasted peanut. Okay. We will going to grind it. Ayan. Ayan. The other side, ayan. Nilagyan na natin yung ating chili. Oh my God. Chili. Ayan. Okay, so we nilagay niya yung yung sabudana. And then yung ating tawag dito, yung ating na-grind na roasted peanuts. Ayan. Ayan, pinakialaman ko na. Ayan. Okay, no. Okay, so in a separate pan, we will going to fry the potato. So, kinat siya ng maliliit, and then ipa-fry siya natin doon. Ayan. Ayan, piniprito pa din. So, ayan siya. Then, imi-mix later yung potato. Ayan lang siya. Parang dry. Dry lang siya na parang, pero masarap. Kasi last time nung pumunta sila dito, nagluto din siya. Tapos pinapikim niya sa amin. So, ayan. We added the potato now. Tsaka i-stir natin yan. Ayan. Ang bango na. How is it?
Yummy.
Huh?
Yummy. Very Maharashtrian.
Okay, and this is Babaji. This is Bobby's husband. So now they're eating. How is it?
Yummy.
How is it, Yan? It's spicy. What did you put?
Milk.
Why?
It's a type of Thai.
So you can put milk also. And this is Nancy. How is it, baby?
Yummy.
Yummy. So, ito yung sa akin. So, I'm going to taste it. Titignan ko kung ano yung lasa. But, nakakain na rin ako dati. So, we'll see. So, thank you so much for being with us again. And, please do like this video kung nagustuhan nyo yun. And then, please don't forget to subscribe and share also. Thank you so much again. God bless. Bye-bye.